A very warm good morning to one and all. Welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to discuss about the topic for a while I misunderstood you. So before starting our today's lesson, let us revise what are the things that we have discussed on yesterday's class. In yesterday we were discussing about that we are going to discuss a topic or a unit that was named as the importance of science. I got different kind of comments from you people that without science we couldn't be able to live in our life. Without science we can't able to survive. Science is most important subject that you people like. So I got different opinions from you people, and I hope that you people are understand what is the importance of science. So from that unit we are going to discuss about a subunit that was named as for a while I misunderstood him. Before that, before starting this chapter, let me ask, I will show you a picture, and I need to know you people whether did you know this person? Did you people know this person? Did you know this person? This person was named as Stephen Hawking. Do you know who is Stephen Hawking? No problem. Whether you have no idea about it, no problem is there. We are going to study about a chapter that is about Stephen Hawking. So before starting about that story of Stephen Hawking, let me ask one doubt to you people, whether you people were having any role models in your life. Do you know what is meant by role model? Role models means a person that may inspire us very much in our life. In my life, my role model is my class teacher when I am studying in class 10. So like that person, that teacher's specialty is that the way of that teacher is talking, the way the teacher is behaving to others, the way the teacher is treating each and every teacher, that make me to come to the field of teaching. Like that, you also should have to make some persons as role models in our lives. So here arises the importance of this man. This man is named as Stephen Hawking. His specialty is what? Just go through an example. Just imagine that one day you people got a fever, right? Normally what you people will do after getting fever, whether it is getting over or not, you will say lie to your parents that I'm not feeling well, because you don't want to lie to home. Just simply take rest on home. That shows the laziness among us. Just because of a small illness, we are creating it as a big issue. But this person's specialty is what? He was born on 8 January 1942, right? And he got a very good education from his parents. He was born in Oxford in England, and he got a great kind of education. And he shows his importance or his interest in science mostly. And from science subject, he learned a lot, and he became as a physicist and a scientist at the age of 30 or something like that. And he began to work for his improvement of things that need to be done in the field of physics and the scientific field. But the problem happened to his life is what? At the year of 1962, he was working in Cambridge University. Suddenly, some problems, disabilities began to show on his bodies. There are 4 or 5 symptoms that began to happen. The first thing happened to his life was that I just imagine that now I am talking to you people without breaking any of my words, without slipping any of my words, I am talking to you people. But the problem that happened to Stephen Hawking is what? The first symptom was his words began to slip down from his mouth. So the person those who are listening to him, it feel what something different to them. The second thing that happened to him, we can able to move our finger like this, right? But he has lost that flexibility of moving his fingers. The next thing that happened to him, we all having our eyes there. Their eye specialty is what? With the help of our eyes, we can able to watch each and everything that is here. But he lost that power of watching or moving his eyes here and there. The most important symptom that happened to his life is what? Whenever he was walking in the place or in the college or in his house, wherever he was walking, he began to stumble. Stumble means fall down. That make him to be a person who want to be on the wheelchair in his full life. Just imagine that if such kind of a situation happened to anyone among the knowing person of others, what will we think his life will go? But Stephen Hawking is not ready to give up. He did what? He done lots of works. He just continued his research in scientific world, in physics world. What all things that he can able to do? He do everything, and he make everyone around him to be he as a role model. That means if whatever things happen to us, we don't want to give up. As a disabled person, as he can't able to write anything, read anything, nothing is possible, he just not ready to give up. He continued his work, and he did a great work was that, I hope you people have heard about Albert Einstein, one of the great scientists in the world. He had made a theory called as theory of Albert Einstein, theory of relativity. In this world, lots of persons, lots of scientists, lots of physics, lots of educators, they all try to find out the solution for that things. But nobody can able to find out Einstein's theory of relativity. But Stephen Hawking, as a disabled person, he find out the solution. That shows how a dedicated person Stephen Hawking was. So by all the way we can able to say that by all these kind of examples, by these kind of definitions, we could understand that Stephen Hawking is a person whom we can able to make as a role model in our life. Hope that you understand about him very clearly. We can discuss about the story on next class. I hope that the idea is clear to you. If any clarifications are there, we will discuss on tomorrow's class. Thank you all. Have a nice day.